Hello everyone. So now I will show you about how to put the style color in PHP. So here it is the PHP training part 8 that we will talk about how to put the color text in a PHP. So it is the most common style that we will do it, that we usually use it in PHP. So make sure that you have to understand about what is the style and how or when we use the style in HTML or in PHP. So now I will show you how to put the style color or something else in PHP. Right? So now you have to start XAMPP or WAMP as you have. It is the internal server that you have to install on our computer. So until we start all to switch, we can run, right? Okay, now it start. So we go to subline. Okay, subline. Okay, subline. Okay. Should I go to localhost to test my WAMP is work or not, right? Okay, it's work. So if it works, so now I go to my sublines. Why large it's not work, right? Yeah, subline. Wait a minute. So now it's work. So I create one file and myself in PHP training. I create one folder like I put the style in PHP. Style in PHP. Okay. So I go here and I put edit, right? So I choose file. It is have a PHP file. So go in here, PHP file. Okay. So without here PHP. Okay. So now we create for our list about the PHP. So now we show you. Okay. Show you about the PHP when we use the PHP. Okay. And when we use the put the color in PHP. So for the first step example, it is the easy example for using the style color in PHP. So now I use equal. Okay, I put it. What is your name? Right? Example I put here. Right? I put here. What is your name? Okay. What is your name? And after that I put break. I put it. Okay. And I go one more. What? How are you today? Example. How are you today? Today. How are you today? Right. How are you today? So we put here the same. So now I use function one variable color $color for I use it blue example blue, right? Simple blue. So I equal here equal my color that I like. We use to string dot the color. Okay, the color. Okay. So now we run. and finally this how in folder is sorry in a folder sham 80 dot php training style in php, right? Okay, so we go to test all together. So now run localhost. Okay, localhost php training style in php. Okay, okay, localized. So why doesn't work? Equal class. Okay, something wrong. What? Okay. So so you have to put the story in equal like this. So let's I want to show the text like example. Okay. So example I don't show here. I comment it. Why? Okay. I show I equal it. So like I want to test equal. Hello, how are you? Okay. So it don't have something change of the color. So we put here refresh. Okay. Hello, how are you? So but when we put here we put style color weight type align center. It is the text that we will apply the style color on it. So in PHP style we can put in equal break when we put related to the text. So I put here I put style color red and align the center. So when we refresh, so why don't change? Okay, it don't sell. Okay, so I refresh. Okay, request has been sent. Please wait for my reply. So it is changing a color in a PHP. We cannot apply directly like HTML in HTML4, larger class and div. Use class and we use div mean ID something else. So we cannot use it anymore, right? Okay. So it is how to use style in PHP, style color or something else. So note, when you want to put a style in PHP, you use this way, right? This way to put it. So you write it in equal check, and then you will run. It will apply. So now I don't put red. I put yellow. Why? Why yellow? So I go to refresh. Okay, it's yellow. Why? Okay. So it is how to put a style take in PHP, right? Okay. So here it is how to use style tag in PHP. Make sure you understand. What is a can? I will show you about how to show that in PHP, right? How to show that in PHP. So there are many styles to show that in PHP, but mostly we have to show only 3 or 4 styles PHP. So now we show you. You want to show that you must choose equal, right? Equal that. Okay, alright, equal that. Okay, equal that. So here it is the format of that you will to input. So this big D, it is take the day. It is take the day. Example like wait. Okay, D code D score right slash y, right? show dot, I put break. Okay, here it is one. So the second I put that the same. Okay, that. Okay, I put small e, small m, small y. Okay, and dot be the same dot break. And the shirt, what we go for that the same. I put the D. Okay, D score score y. Okay, it is small. Show yourself and you go to refresh the page. What is different? Show it is you show it is different. So I will show you here. Show what is big D we do. So I note here to make all you understand. Right? Okay. D, we can say it's talk the day. We use it to show the day, like Sunday, Saturday, or Monday, something else. It is the big D. And about the small d, it's talk about, we can say it talk about the date of the day, right? It is note of the shell. So when I put the big D, it will show Saturday, and I put small d, it will show about the date of the day. So this date it is 21st, right? 21st. So it is small d, it is the date of the day. Big D, it is check the day. It is talk about the day, right? So how about the big M? Big M, it is check the name of the month. The name of the month, right? The name of the month. What is a small m? Small m is talk the ordinal number of the month. What is ordinal? Ordinal in order, we can say order number of the month. Okay, order number. So here it is big D. It will show the day name. Small d, it is date of the day. And about big M, it is talk about the month April. And about big Y, it will talk about the year, right? The year. So big Y, it is so a full year name. But if it is a small y, it is so only the last two number of the year, like 2010 and 2017. It's so only 10 and 17. It's not so full, right? But about the y, big Y, it will so full like here. Big Y, it will show 2018. And about the small y, it's so only 18, right? So about the small m, it is so order, but it's so only order number of the month. So April it is fourth, month number 4 in the order. So is here is the way that how to write to show that in PHP. So I note you again. It's talk the year full name, right? And about small y, it take the last of year. So like this year, it is 2018. It take only 18, right? 18 So here is the way to write to show the data in a PHP. So make sure that you understand and you know how to write to show that in PHP, right? And you understand why we use big D, why we use small d, and when we use something else, right? So it has only these three styles that we have to write on the tab, right? Okay. So thank you for your watching PP tutorial part 8, and that's how we will start the tutorial PHP tutorial part 10. About the part 9 we done already, so we will start part 10 about the order number, right? Odd number, right? Okay. So thank you for your watching my video tutorial, and for about the soft, you can go to slideset.net, right? Okay. So slideset.net, it is the place that I store all my document training, and you can download it and learn by yourself, right? Okay. So for more information, you can contact to me or watch the video, right? Okay, my channel. Okay, so thank you for your watching my training tutorial about the style, color, text in a PHP and the data in PHP. So thank you for watching. See you next time.